is Mangalam from SlideUpLift. In this very short video, we'll give you a very cool hack of not only doing copy paste on your slide, but also copy, paste and align all in one shot. So why this hack? Because oftentimes when we copy paste on our slide, we spend a lot of time after that aligning that copied shape to the exact position on the slide. So how it works is, you click on that shape you want to copy and then press Ctrl Shift and drag that shape either vertically or horizontally based on where you want to place it. But in case you don't want the vertical or horizontal alignment and you want to put that shape anywhere else in the PowerPoint, then click on that shape and only press Ctrl and then drag that shape to that specific location you want. If you like this hack and you want to know more of such hacks, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to SlideUpLift.